Unlock health benefits with a surprising mix of castor oil and baking soda for amazing results. Natural detoxifier castor oil has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, while baking soda helps alkalize the body. When combined, they create a detoxifying mixture that can promote overall health by flushing out toxins and reducing inflammation. Skin health: the mixture works wonders for your skin. Castor oil is known for its moisturizing properties, while baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant. Together, they can help clear blemishes, reduce acne, and leave your skin feeling soft and smooth. Digestive aid: mixing castor oil with baking soda can promote digestive health. Castor oil helps relieve constipation, while baking soda can neutralize stomach acid, offering relief from indigestion and heartburn. Pain relief: the anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil, combined with baking soda, can create a soothing paste for sore muscles and joint pain. Apply the mixture topically to reduce discomfort and promote healing. Hair growth: this combination can benefit your hair as well. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, promoting hair growth, while baking soda helps remove product buildup. Regular application can lead to healthier, shinier hair. Oral health: the antibacterial properties of both ingredients can improve oral hygiene. Mix a small amount with water to create a natural mouthwash that helps freshen breath and fight bacteria. Before trying this combination, always consult your doctor for personalized advice. You might be surprised at the benefits this duo can offer for your health.